What up, DD fam? It's your girl, Dusti.
And it's your boy, Des.
And we're back again.
With another video.
Today, we're doing something kind of crazy.
Yeah, I don't know what the hell she got going on.
So, I saw this video on YouTube, or on Facebook actually, of this couple that posts videos on Facebook. And they don't do videos like we've seen before. Like, they always like make up some stuff. So, I decided to just do their video. It's super hilarious. So, we're gonna be doing the Coca-Cola and Mentos.
I kind of ate some of these already.
Yeah.
I didn't know she had going on, you know what I'm saying? But yeah.
But it's a plot twist. So we're gonna do rock, paper, scissors. Whoever loses has to stand with their mouth down and open like this. And the person's gonna drop 3 Mentos in the Coke.
3?
3. That's why I said quit eating them.
My bad.
3 Mentos in the Coke, and the loser has to take the Coke to the face.
Wow.
You ready?
Whatever couple she saw.
I don't remember their names.
Just know.
We'll have to find them.
I'm not fans of this.
Oh. I knocked all the Cokes over. All right. What have this bounce on?
All right, so we play paper, rock, scissors first, right?
Yep. We had to hang blankets so it doesn't get all messy.
Yeah. So cause she ain't finna get Coke all over my house.
Oh wow, that's all we have?
Yeah.
Cause you weren't eating them.
I ate 3 of them.
Yeah.
We're doing best out of 3. Here we go. Let's go.
Let's go. You ready?
You ready? Team Des. Hey, if you are not subscribed to our channel, subscribe. It's lit. You know what I'm saying? If you've been watching our videos, you know what I'm saying? We're keeping you guys entertained. You know what I'm saying?
We are.
We're keeping you guys entertained. You know what I'm saying?
I'm so scared.
You know what I'm saying? But yeah, go ahead, subscribe, smash that button, smash that. It's I don't know what side it's on, guys.
All of it.
It's on one of them sides. Smash that.
Team Dusti, y'all. Let's get into this. Ready? Rock, paper, scissors. Yes! What?
I wasn't ready. All right, so what this mean?
You gotta stand on the wall.
We ain't doing.
You want this?
Yeah, I'll take this. I'll take it. Here we go, y'all. Oh! All right, so look, wait. My only question is.
My head hurts already.
My question. Do the Mentos fly out of there?
No, the Coke flies out
Where the Mentos go?
in the bottle.
They not gonna fly out and hit me.
No, it just makes it explode. But you have to put your hands behind your back.
Behind my back?
Yeah, and you have to
Bro,
keep your
if
face
a Mentos shoot out this bottle and hit me, bro, I swear to God,
it's
bro.
not.
That's the
Okay.
only. Earlier when we was at the store and stuff, that's why I was telling you I ain't gonna do this, bro. If a Mentos fly out.
It's not. They're gonna go in the bottom. You ready? I
gotta hold my mouth open? Bro, I don't
I
know
look
about this.
fat. Sorry, guys.
I don't know about this.
All right, you ready?
I don't know about this.
Put your face open. You might want to close your eyes. Put your head down, and don't be moving. Oh!
Oh! Oh! Oh! Oh no. We can cancel this. We can cancel. Hell no, bro. Hell no, bro. Hell no, bro.
Wait, get the windows out the way.
It's cold. It's cold too.
That was hilarious.
Come on, your turn.
Okay.
Your turn, come
No,
on.
it's
It
not
was
my
fun.
turn. We rock, paper, scissors.
It was fun, babe. Come on, it's your turn. What you mean?
We rock, paper, scissors.
Bro, she just...
I'll put these down.
I'm doing this. Gonna be my thumbnail picture.
Watch out.
What? No. Nigga, them fresh brand new towels.
So the ones we used yesterday?
It's okay. What got wet?
The carpet?
Well, we need to move forward that way.
No, it's soaking into the carpet though, is what I'm saying.
Oh, okay.
That's how I was just gonna lay these down.
Damn, I don't want to get my towels wet, man.
No, babe, lay them over the blanket. Just so it's...
Bro, that's so cold, bro.
Come
on.
Team Dusty!
Come on.
Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors.
Ah!
Yes!
Comment below. Y'all don't want to see me go again.
Yes. All right, let's go.
Bro, y'all see my shorts, bro? Oh.
You ready? Open your mouth. Open your mouth.
It got on my nose last time.
Okay, open your mouth.
I should have to hold my mouth down, though.
Open your mouth.
Oh! Bro, you doing the extra, bro. You doing extra. You supposed to just let it squirt out, bro. You up here splashing it in my face and stuff, bro.
You're gonna have plenty of cups
That's all right,
to
bro.
drink still.
The next challenge, bro. The next challenge is gonna be my idea. It's gonna be my idea. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Get away.
Come on. No, come on. Come on. No, I ain't no nervous. Come on.
Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors.
Ah! Get on the wall! Get on the wall! Get on the wall! Team this!
No, sir. No. Nope.
Team this! Yes, sir. All right, wait. What I do?
You just dropped the Mentos in it. That's literally it.
Drop the Mentos in there?
Yeah.
Y'all ready for this? Dun, dun, dun,
No.
dun, 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 dun. You like a comment below if she look like one of them cone heads. You ever seen the movie Conehead? Y'all drop a comment.
Stop. You're too
All
excited.
right, put your hand behind your back. Hand behind the back. No, I'm too excited. You too excited. Open your
You're
mouth.
already so close to my
Open
face.
your mouth.
Back
All right,
up
open your
some.
mouth.
Okay.
Open your mouth. You ready?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Stop. I couldn't breathe. Stop! I didn't do that to you. Oh my god. Oh my God. See, you fucked shit up.
No, it got wet.
Yeah, one more. This is freezing cold.
I told you it's cold.
Look at my phone. Oh my god. I don't think this is a good idea.
No, this is definitely a bad idea. You must feel like cleaning up today.
Alright.
She felt like cleaning up today, y'all, because I ain't cleaning this shit up.
You have so much soda left.
You dig me.
Ready?
All right, last one, y'all. Come on. I'm posting this today.
Ready? Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors.
Yes, sir! Let's go!
I wish we had a fifth
Let's
soda.
go!
Oh, we should have got another one.
Hey, well, since we tied this time, guys, we'll do a part 2.
Comment down below.
This video get how many likes, babe?
100 likes.
100 likes on this video. We'll do part 2.
And y'all comment down below if y'all want a part 2. Let us know.
Hey, boy, I'm finna show y'all how I do it.
No, okay. What do you mean how you do it?
All right, here we go.
No, I couldn't breathe for real.
I couldn't breathe it. No, hell no. No, put your hand behind your back.
I couldn't even let
Hands
you
behind
my
your back.
face.
Hands behind your back. Mouth open. I have to act like a first grade teacher here, guys. Mouth open. Look at me.
I don't want to. Can we
Close
not?
your man.
I
Come
think
on.
we
All
should-
right.
I
All
don't
right.
think we
Here we
should
go.
do this
I'm finna
anymore.
go. I'm finna go.
No,
I'm finna let it rip.
Stop. I don't think
Open
we
your
should-
mouth.
I don't think we should do this. That's why you suck.
Where did the Mentos go?
Did you drop them?
No.
Yeah, they're in there. Look.
Wait a minute, bro.
Shake it up, see if it works. That's what you get.
All right, y'all.
Team Dusty. that's what he gets for doing the most. Okay. Okay.
All right, now look,
Give
seriously.
me some. Oh wait, there's Mentos in here.
I just drunk some. Hey, if you want some minty coat, pull up. We got you. All right, I'm cold.
Okay.
All right, now look at this.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching our video. Thanks for watching our video, guys. We hope you enjoyed it. We did not enjoy this. So we will see y'all later. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.